What is the biggest customer retention challenge that you, as a marketeer, that you would say that this is the biggest retention challenge? Any insights on
So
that?
see, I think retention can be measured into different metrics, right? So the first touch point of a retention is basically a user installing an app and uninstalling it because the user couldn't find any value from that product or a service, right? So that is the first point of retention where we see that since there is so much competition, there's so gone are the days when there used to be one app for a service or there would be one e-commerce app. Now there's so much competition around in every category. There are 10 e-commerce apps, there are so many food delivery apps, right? So it's very important for a service, for a product to actually deliver the right value for the user. And that is, I think, the biggest retention challenge for the marketer, that around 60 to 70% of the users end up uninstalling the application, right? Also, when I talk about the device real estate, right? So every device will have a limited real estate. Your device can only cater to 30 to 40 different applications or maybe 50, right? You will not end up installing 200 applications and use them on a regular basis. Also, when it comes to time span of the user, right? So if a user is spending 30 to 40 minutes on the device every day, so it's very important that you are able to capture that time share of the user. So I think that is the biggest challenge, which is a product challenge as well as a marketing challenge. And how do you ensure that the users you are acquiring, you are able to drive that value for that user and ensuring that they retain with you and don't churn out. I think that is the first touch point. I think after that, through the course of the product usage, there are other metrics also which come into picture, like stickiness, right? So stickiness is basically ratio of DAO versus MAR. So maintaining that healthy stickiness ratio where you are ensuring that if a user is coming once in a month, he is also coming on a regular basis. So basically creating those triggers within your product or within your marketing campaign, which can be internal or external, is very important so that the user is coming back regularly on the product and you are able to retain it. So that is basically the loyalty which you create for a user. So I think there are two different challenges which I see. One is more of a value challenge, which acquiring users which actually see that value, and because of the high competition this is happening, and other is more of a retention based challenge where are you able to create those enough triggers for the user to come back on the product.
Okay.
Necessarily chase an app open every day, right? A user may open your app only once a month, but they will be your highest LTV user. Be comfortable with that. Understand user cohorts to that extent and tailor your communication in that. Understand your audience better and be in front of them when they need you, instead of trying to be in front of them at all the time. If you intrude on their life too much, they are likely to consider you a pain and a nuisance rather than a value.
If I were to summarize this, what you're saying is retention is category based and it has to be approached not in a generalized manner, but you need to have manners in which you know your audience and you know how to engage with them. Am I more correct over there? I mean, know your audience, know what they're planning to do in life, and align your notifications and expectations that way.